Welcome to the Cheeky Vegan Chicks.
Thanks for joining us.
I'm Harmony.
And I'm Jenny.
And today we're making a very special appetizer for you called deviled tomatoes. You guys, if you've recently gone plant-based and you miss the taste of deviled eggs, I used to love deviled eggs. You are going to love, love, love this recipe.
Super excited about this.
Yeah, me too. So let's get into it.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's get nourished. Okay, we're back. We're ready to get started with our recipe. We have 12 Roma tomatoes.
Aren't they cute?
They are.
They look like little eggs.
I know. Well, that's the purpose. We want to get them, about the size of an egg, and try and find them all the same size.
And I did a good job, didn't I?
You did a great job shopping for these. And these are organic, which are great. So what you want to do is you want to cut the tomato lengthwise. And then you're going to take a little spoon and just cut out the flesh on the inside, the seeds and some of the flesh. Like that. And then we're going to fill it with our deliciousness later on.
Yay! That's so easy.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to cut up all these tomatoes. Before we go, though, I want to tell you to stick around because at the end of the video, today we're filming on Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. And it won't be Mother's Day when you're viewing this because it'll be a couple of days probably. But for Mother's Day, I wanted to share something really important with you guys. There is a food that you can eat daily which will decrease the risk of breast cancer in women by 64%.
I want to know what it is.
One food, and you'll be amazed. And I thought I'd share this, especially for Mother's Day, because it's important. And we like to say, let food be your medicine.
That's right.
Right? All right.
Yep.
Great. So we'll be right back.
Okay. Is this right?
Yes. We are using grapefruit. We are using grapefruit spoons for this chore, which is perfect for these guys. Where's the, can you put the seed bowl between us? Yeah. So it's a little bit tedious, but
who cares? It's
who cares?
Relaxing.
It is.
And it's a beautiful day.
It's a gorgeous day.
We're going to go hiking after
Mother's
this.
Day. We're going to go look at flowers on the mountain.
And have a picnic.
Yay.
With our deviled eggs.
I know. I had a really nice day with my son yesterday.
You did.
We had lunch, and he gave me this little guy. Isn't he cute? I thought I'd bring him on the shoot today.
Sweet.
It's a kind of a.
And you guys got to go out to eat.
Kind of an inside joke on the on the little chick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep it an inside joke?
Oh no. Okay, I'll tell you. So when he was little, we had these little teeny tiny yellow chicks. That I think they're like you can get them for Easter decorations in like Michael's or something.
Yeah.
And we had this one chick, and we used to hide it all over the house. And so when the other person found it, they would hide it, and so it was all in these different places. It was a cute little game.
And so that's why he gave that.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it was very sweet.
I sent my mom some macaroons from
Macaroons.
Paris.
Ooh,
that's
macaroons.
her favorite.
That sounds good.
And you know what's so cute?
What?
When she gets a box of them, because they're so special, she takes them and she goes to her friends' houses and she brings them. She says, "How would you like a cookie?" And they sit down.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It's the cutest thing. And then she'll take a picture and send it to me. Because you know how
she's sharing the love.
You know how we do with our pictures.
Yep. We're going to finish this and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back and we have all our ingredients ready to go for the filling for these yummy deviled tomatoes.
I'm excited to see what the filling is.
Yep.
And it's going to make it taste like deviled eggs. So the first thing we're going to do is 1.5 cups of no salt added garbanzo beans.
That's like 1 can.
Drained.
Eden brand is the best.
And that's what those are, I believe.
Yep.
1 tablespoon of tahini.
Tahini, our favorite ingredient.
Creamy tahini. And then we have 2 tablespoons of raw cashew butter. What is the difference between raw cashew butter and not raw.
I've never seen roasted cashew butter.
Oh, okay.
Roasted cashews.
Ooh, that would be
know,
good.
I
No?
don't know. The raw cashew butter has a sweetness to it.
Oh, really?
Just delightful.
1/4 cup of water.
H2O.
Oh, nutritional yeast. Okay, I was like, oh crap, I got it out, but I didn't measure it. But you did.
Yeah, I did.
Of course.
Thank you. How much nutritional
2
yeast?
tablespoons.
2 tablespoons going in.
1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice.
Just squeeze.
2 teaspoons yellow mustard, low sodium.
Yeller.
Yeller? Old yeller. 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Is that curry powder?
This is the curry
Oh,
powder.
that's
Curry
turmeric.
powder. This gives it a really nice flavor.
It smells good.
Yeah.
What is, okay, this is what's going to make it taste like eggs, right?
Here's the secret ingredient. It's called Kala Namak.
Kala Namak.
It's also sometimes referred to as black salt. It's a salt found in the Himalayan mountains of India.
But it's not black.
No, I know. And it's pinkish, actually. If you look at it, it's not really black. I don't know why they call it black. But it has a sulfur component, which makes it taste like eggs. I use this in my tofu scrambles, too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Perfect.
That's why your tofu scramble is so good.
It
tastes
is.
like real eggs.
It does.
This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric.
Turmeric for that nice golden yellow
Oh.
color. And that's it, right?
For now.
For now.
And then our topping later.
All right, let's get this thing
I'll
rolling
clean
up.
this up.
Okay, thank you, Jenny. Here we go. Now, depending on your beans and a couple of other things, you may want to put a little more water. And I think I'm going to put a little more water in this.
I'll get you some.
It's a bit stiff. You kind of have to gauge it for yourself, you know. This is
because you're gonna have to pipe it through into the tomatoes, right?
Yeah, and it's an art. It's not, this kind of cooking is an art. It's not a science. It's not baking. It doesn't have to be precise.
And I love that.
Yeah. Let's try this again.
All right.
That looks
there
better.
it goes. Yeah.
Okay. Woo, we have our filling done.
It smells so good.
And when you're making it, like I said, you know, you can adjust the water. Just make sure you don't make it too thin because, and you know, we're going to pipe it so it looks really pretty. You don't have to pipe it, but it makes such a nice presentation.
Yeah.
When it's that way. The other thing here's an important step that might or might not be in the recipe. After you cut your tomatoes, they're going to leak a lot of water. So you want to go and take, you know, get the excess water out of there. You want to do that while I talk some more about our filling?
Will.
Okay. So here's a piping tip. And this is a nice big one. You don't need a piping bag. What I do is I take a plastic bag, any old Ziploc will do, and cut a little bit of the tip off. And then just put the tip down in there. Hope that I didn't make it too big. And then put it in a measuring cup. Turn the bag inside out just a little so there's a collar on it. And then just pipe your filling right into the bag. You know, and this recipe makes a lot. We use 12 tomatoes, so obviously we've got 24. But if you want to cut it in half, that's fine. Just use half the ingredients for the filling, and then you'll get 12. Okay, moment of truth. Let's hope this pipes well.
Well, if it doesn't, I'm sure it's going to taste good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Nice. Look at that.
You thought it wasn't going to look good.
Yeah.
Everything you do looks good.
You guys, this makes such a lovely presentation, doesn't it?
Yes. I love the plate that you used.
It's the egg holder plate.
It's super cute.
Yeah, we'll put a link to this below.
Awesome.
All right, we're going to finish piping these guys.
Okay.
And then we'll be right back with that tip.
Can't wait.
Beautiful moms out there. We're back.
We're
Our
back.
deviled tomatoes are done.
And they're beautiful.
And I promised you this health tip. I learned this from Dr. Furman. And why this isn't on the front page of every newspaper, I'll never know.
Well, tell us.
Okay, so eating 1 mushroom per day, no matter what kind of mushroom, could be button mushroom, it could be shiitake mushroom, one mushroom per day
Yeah.
reduces a woman's chance of breast cancer by 64%.
Wow. So it really is true.
Food can be your medicine.
A mushroom a day keeps the doctor away?
One mushroom per day.
Wow.
So, I mean,
Eat your mushrooms?
to me, that's astounding.
That's crazy.
I know. So,
Cool
what I'll do is I'll have the study, a link to the study in the description box below. The recipe will be in the description box below. And a really great article by Dr. Furman, link to that too, will be in that description box.
Awesome.
Along with, our ingredients that we use and the plate and all the other stuff. So.
Okay. My favorite part.
Yes, we have to taste it. Grab a pretty one. Aren't they pretty?
They're gorgeous.
See them?
That one. I want him.
Take him.
Which one do you want?
This little guy.
Ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
That's like double egg. Actually, it's better.
Happy tummies. My tummy's happy.
Curry powder.
Oh, so good. Wow.
Look.
You gotta try this, you guys. It's
I'll
so
put a
easy.
whole thing in my mouth.
You're allowed.
So good.
I know. Well, we've had fun. Hope you've had fun watching us today. And remember,
Nothing tastes as good as healthy feels.